ready?
Yeah. Is it right?
That's what it said, the arrows. Well, you wasn't paying attention. You hollered at me not paying attention. Look at this arrow right here.
I see now.
And this arrow right here. Got a little bit of gravel, so watch it with your front brake if you use it.
Yeah.
And we're off again. Brenda always wanted to stop there, so we did.
Very good.
Very good.
I didn't realize it was a winery too, even though I don't like winery, or I don't like wine.
Yeah, she got all lined up
Yeah.
over her pizza. Look, some biker friends.
Yeah.
Car's right beside me, ain't it?
Yeah, it was right beside me. Speeded up and he speeded up. I'm gonna give you a thumbs up that you did to me.
They did?
Yeah. That's just because I was a girl.
Well, the 360 should have got it.
Yeah.
Got a little warmer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull over the fast lane. Come up beside me.
I've been right beside you.
This way we get some of you on film.
I was right behind you.
I know, I saw you were closer.
Those other roads, I just don't like going real fast.
That's fine. I just, like I said, I got the camera. I like to get you riding sometime. Looking good. It'll fall behind you for a second.
Oh, that's miserable.
Okay. You want me to leave?
Yeah.
Seems like there's so much I can do with this camera.
Yeah.
Slow down.
Yep. And a red light.
I know, that's why I married you. I don't know about you guys. Can't stand the heat, can't stand the cold.